To change the ribbon in a Magicard Pronto ID card printer, first open the lid by lifting the blue release tab at the front. Then take the blue spindle at the back and lift it out before winding the unused ribbon onto it. Once the two spindles are together, lift the white spindle out and place the ribbon down. Put it back in its packaging or stand it up by the spindles to prevent the ribbon film from gathering dust. Take the other ribbon and insert it by the blue spindle first, followed by the white one. You can then close the printer's lid by lowering it down and pressing until there is a click.